3, 2, 1.
In science, what is a cause and effect gas called? The answer is B, an academic hypothesis. Which is an example of the type of body of water that contains the most water on Earth? The answer is C, Caribbean Sea. What is the name of the warmest layer of Earth's atmosphere? The answer is C, mesosphere. What is the lowest layer of the atmosphere called? The answer is D, troposphere. The Nile River splits into two main branches. What are they called? The answer is B, East Nile and West Nile. We learned from the film The Crow that Sarah likes her eggs done how? The answer is D, over easy. What is a leafy green vegetable that is often cooked with bacon and eggs? The answer is B, spinach. Which mountain range separates Eastern Europe and Western Asia? The answer is A, Ural. What vegetable is also known as a bell pepper when ripe? The answer is D, capsicum bell. How many teams participated in the first ICC World Cup tournament? The answer is B, 8. Who headed the Anglo-American invasion, known as Operation Torch, which began on November 8, 1942? The answer is C, General Dwight Eisenhower. Which author wrote The Handmaid's Tale? The answer is A, Margaret Atwood. Some birds eat seeds. If a bird drops a seed in soil, which best explains how a plant could be helped? The answer is B, it has a chance to reproduce. A king with no subjects is still a king. A soldier with no army is still a soldier. Who am I without my kingdom? The answer is C, prince. What can fill a room but take up no space? The answer is B, air. What is the main equipment for a boxer in the ring? The answer is B, gloves. Which material was originally used to make jeans from? The answer is C, cotton. What do you call an animal that feeds on other animals? The answer is D, carnivore. Which collective noun refers to a group of cats? The answer is D, clutter. What is the primary use of a compass? The answer is C, for drawing circles. What is the name of the type of plant tissue consisting of undifferentiated cells that can continue to divide and differentiate? The answer is A, meristem. What is the year cycle that sunspots occur? The answer is D, 11. When heat flows into an object, its thermal energy increases and so does its what? The answer is C, temperature. The gravitational pull of the sun causes what phenomenon? The answer is A, planetary revolution. Who was the Aztec god of war and the sun? The answer is A, Huitzilopochtli. The heat capacity of an object depends on its chemical composition and what other property? The answer is C, mass. What is cherimoya called in Peru? The answer is B, guineo. Who is the supermodel host of Project Runway Season 1? The answer is A, Heidi Klum. A lab technician places a colony of bacterial cells in a nutrient-rich growth medium. Which event is the technician most likely to observe with a microscope? The answer is A, cell division. Who is Orlando Bloom's biological father? The answer is B, Colin Stone. In resting neurons, the plasma membrane has many open potassium channels but few open of which other channels? The answer is B, sodium. When did Bobby Fischer win the United States Junior Chess Championship? The answer is A, July 1956. What safety procedure should a student follow when a thermometer is broken during a lab experiment? The answer is A, tell the teacher immediately. Sheila ran around a track 4 times. She felt the need to breathe harder and faster. What were her muscles requiring? The answer is C, more oxygen. How many alleles control a characteristic? The answer is C, 2. When was Jeannie, one of the central characters on I Dream of Jeannie, born? The answer is D, April 1, 64 BC. What tool is used to measure the depth of a hole or socket? The answer is D, depth gauge. What is the unit of time used to measure long durations like a human lifetime? The answer is B, millennium. What we buy without money and eat without teeth. The answer is C. Air. In 1877, Spencer Gore was the first winner of what tournament? The answer is C. Wimbledon. Largest collection of rubber ducks. Who has it? The answer is D. Collectors. The dulcimer is a type of what instrument? The answer is A. String. What sculpture was Michelangelo famous for that is located in the Vatican? The answer is C. The Last Supper. What wears out faster when used less? The answer is D. Bicycle tire. The vertical axis on a graph is the y-axis. What is most likely placed along the y-axis? The answer is C. Dependent variables. Which one is the result of 50 divided by 10? The answer is C. 2.5. Who is the Prime Minister of the UK? The answer is A. Boris Johnson. How many square yards are there in an acre of land? The answer is B. 4,840. What was the commissioner's name in the 1960s Batman series? The answer is A. James Gordon. Which art movement is associated with simplicity and harmony?